Another example of small program of call by value method. Design a function int max to accept the two integer arguments and return the largest integer. Okay, you have to accept two integer arguments and you have to return the largest among the two. Okay, you have to write a max method to find the largest number. There will be two methods. Okay, in main you will be accepting two integers, then you will be calling max function within main, okay, passing actual parameters, and in max function you will be receiving these actual parameters within formal parameters and comparing both the values and returning the largest. Okay, so import java.io. You need to input, you need to take the input from the user, so you will be needing this package. Import java.utility package for a scanner. Then class largest I have taken, public static int, as the max will return integer. Okay, the number whatever is largest among the two, so that will be of integer type. Okay, as we are going to compare two integers, so we will be getting result integer. Now come to main function first. This will execute first. We will run this function. Okay, in this what we have to do, we'll create the object of class scanner, as we have to take input from the standard input device, that is keyboard. Enter first number, we are reading through sc.nextInt, storing within x. Enter second number, we are getting that number within y. Now we are calling max function, which will be calculating the largest. We are calling max, we are providing the two numbers in which we have to find the largest. So this is the function call statement as well as assignment statement. Whatever we are calling max, we are giving two values to max, x and y. Max will compare, max will get the values within a and b, x within a, y within b. Then this function will compare both the values. If a is greater, then return a, then this function will return value of a, otherwise this function will return value of b. Whatever this function will return, we are assigning the result of this to m. Integer will be returned, so we are storing the result within integer type variable m. Okay, with the help of the assignment operator equal to. Int m equals to, this is function call statement, max x comma y. We are passing actual parameters, okay, original data, while calling the function max. After coming to this line, the control goes to here. Fine. X within a, y will be stored within b. Then if a is greater than b, it will return a, otherwise b will be returned. Fine. That's why return type is int. Again the control will come here, and whatever the result is there, a or b, whatever, that will be stored in m. Then the next statement will get executed. Largest number is value of m will get printed on the screen. This is a small program using call by value method. Okay.